Hi guys, welcome to another video here at Cars and Collectibles, and today we're going to be doing a Case M unboxing. So the super treasure hunt for this case is a 2019 Audi R8 Spider, and the regular treasure hunt for this case is a 1978 Dodge Little Red Express truck. Now let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Alright guys, let's go ahead and start doing the unboxing. Let's get her opened up here, and let's go ahead and start off on the top row. Alright, so on the top row, I got the 68 Mercury Cougar. And right there is the Audi R8 Super Treasure Hunt. Like, right off the bat. Like, that is a lucky find. Oh my gosh. Let's see if we can see the Treasure Hunt logo here. You can barely see it right back there behind the car. But, wow, that is beautiful. And then right there on top is actually the Super Treasure Hunt logo. There it is. Wow. So yeah, like right off the bat, top row, one of the first cars. The corner's just a hair messed up, but not too bad. So I'm definitely going to be putting this in a protective case, but what a find right off the bat. And then also we have a Grand Cross. Next three, we have a 98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version. It's like in a nice dark gray. We have a standard kart from Mario Kart. And then we have Forward Force. Next three, we have Pixel Shaker. We have Robots Race Robocar. And we have an Aisle Driver. Next three, we have a 67 Camaro, and it's the worldwide theme now in it's kind of like a gold, kind of like a bronze color. We have a Praying Mantis and two Jet Z. Next we have a 2017 Camaro ZL1, a 2020 Jeep Gladiator, and a Toyota Land Cruiser. Next three, we have the Rajan Express, which we've seen that one before. We have the 99 Honda Civic Type R. And then we have the Impavito 1. Now we have a 71 Plymouth Roadrunner. We have an Erkenstein Rod. And a 1985 Honda CRX. Alright, so we have the Nissan Leaf Nismo RC02, which that actually looks kind of cool. I know a lot of people were looking forward to that coming out. We have Aeropod and a Porsche Taycan Turbo S. Next three, we have the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. We have the Liberty Walk Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT RR version 2. It's a mouthful. And we have the Tesla Cybertrucks. This is the first time we've seen the Cybertruck. Ooh, look at that. We got another Liberty Walk. We got the Liberty Works Lamborghini Huracan Coupe, which is a really cool, kind of like a camo design. The lighting's kind of bad right here. We have the Hot Wheels Rapid Responder and another Porsche Taycan Turbo S. Alright, so we have a Speed Driver. We have a Bat Plane. This one's actually kind of cool. And a 2 Jet Z. Alright, the last three of the first side. We got a GT Scorcher. We got another 2020 Jeep Gladiator. And then we have a custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT. Now let's go ahead and pull out the paper, which this cardboard's actually kind of messed up here. So luckily the case isn't too bad. Oh gosh. Alright, so we have a 1967 Chevy C10. We have the Disney Steamboat, which is like the Steamboat Willies. And we have a Geoterra. All right, we have another Tesla Cybertruck, another Liberty Walk R35 GTR, and another GT Scorcher. All right, so we have a Water Bomber, Dodge Charger Drift, and a Nissan Silvia S13. All right, we have a 2019 Kia Stinger GT. We have a 1985 Honda CRX and an Indy 500 Oval. We have an AMC Rebel Machine, Liberty Walk Lamborghini Huracan, and another standard cart. And another Nissan Leaf Nismo, Hot Wheels Rapid Responder, and a Dodge Charger stock car. Now we have the Aston Martin 177, a Forward Force, and Devancinator. It's kind of an interesting one. It's a brand new one for 2021. Has a front lip that goes up and down. Interesting. And we have another 2019 Kia Stinger GT, another Pixel Shaker, and another Disney Steamboat. Alright, so we have another Praying Mantis. We have See Me Rollin', and a Mad Manga. We have next is a 67 Ford GT Mark IV, finished in yellow. We've seen that in red before. And we actually have the treasure hunt right here, which is a 1978 Dodge Little Red Express truck. And then we have another Rajan Express. But this treasure hunt is actually really nice. You can see the treasure hunt logo right here on the back. Gosh, that is a beautiful casting. And then you can kind of see the treasure hunt text there behind the car. Definitely setting that one aside. This is actually a really good case. All right, another 2017 Camaro ZL1. We got another 1999 Honda Civic Type R. And a 70s van, which actually has the kind of like the Space Jams kind of theme to it, which is actually really cool. I kind of like that. And for the final three, we have a 2021 Ford Bronco, now finished in orange, a 67 Buick Regal GNX, and a Impavito 1. So what a case. Like, we actually got the treasure hunt and super treasure hunt for this case, which is the 2019 Audi R8 Spyder and the Dodge truck. But yeah, this was an awesome case. I did not expect to pull the treasure hunt out of it. So this is super exciting to be able to get both of these out of one case. So if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below. And if you want to see more videos like this and other case unboxing, definitely hit that subscribe button, because I will be getting a lot more of these every single case, every month I will be getting. So definitely hit that subscribe button. As always, guys, thank you for watching.